Before skyscrapers reshaped the horizon, before factories powered civilization, before machines multiplied human strength, there was labor. Industrial work pants were never created for appearance. They were created because work demanded more than ordinary clothing. Because clothing was never just clothing. Every demanding profession places stress not only on the human body, but on the fabric that protects it. Concrete, steel, wood, machinery, sharp edges, constant friction. Industrial work pants exist to survive environments where ordinary garments quickly fail. Their design begins with durability. Heavy canvas, high-density cotton, ripstop fabrics, abrasion-resistant synthetic fibers. Each material is selected to withstand repeated mechanical stress while remaining comfortable enough for long working hours. Reinforced stitching strengthens critical seams. Triple-stitched construction distributes tension across multiple threads. High-wear areas receive additional fabric layers. Some models include reinforced knee panels designed to accept protective inserts. Others feature utility pockets positioned for efficient access to tools without restricting movement. Every element serves a practical function. Nothing exists purely for decoration. Historically, industrial workwear evolved alongside the Industrial Revolution. As factories expanded and infrastructure projects grew larger, workers required clothing capable of surviving increasingly demanding conditions. Simple cotton trousers gradually transformed into purpose-built garments designed around the realities of physical labor. Throughout the 20th century, improvements in textile engineering dramatically increased durability. Synthetic fibers improved tear resistance. Advanced weaving techniques reduced wear. Water-resistant coatings enhanced performance. Stretch materials introduced greater mobility without compromising strength. Modern industrial work pants represent the fusion of traditional craftsmanship and advanced engineering. Ergonomic cuts follow natural body movement. Articulated knees reduce strain while kneeling. Moisture management fabrics improve comfort. Reflective elements increase visibility. Flame-resistant versions protect workers in hazardous environments. Every improvement begins with a simple question: how can clothing help people work more safely? Psychologically, reliable workwear influences confidence. Workers who trust their equipment move with greater certainty. They focus on the task instead of worrying about failure. Durability reduces distraction. Function creates efficiency. Across construction sites, warehouses, shipyards, railways, manufacturing plants, and energy facilities, industrial work pants have become a universal symbol of skilled labor. They represent preparation, responsibility, discipline, not through appearance, but through performance. In recent years, industrial workwear has also influenced everyday fashion. Utility pockets, heavy fabrics, relaxed silhouettes, functional detailing. Designers borrow these features because authenticity often begins with genuine purpose. Yet beneath every modern interpretation remains the original philosophy: build it to last. Because true durability cannot be imitated, it must be engineered. Industrial work pants remind us that civilization is constructed by countless hands performing ordinary tasks with extraordinary consistency. Every bridge, every building, every machine, every road, someone stood behind that work, often wearing garments designed not to attract attention, but to endure it. Perhaps that is the quiet lesson hidden within industrial clothing. The strongest designs are rarely the most celebrated. They simply continue performing, day after day, year after year, because progress has always depended on tools that refuse to fail. And sometimes, the most important piece of equipment is the one you hardly notice until the work is done.